Welcome students to our next lecture. We are on exercise 15.1. Okay, so exercise 15.1 continued. Today we'll be dealing with question number 3. It's compare the following ratios. In this question number 3, I'll be solving first the sub-question C. Sub-question C is 8 ratio to 12, or we can pronounce it as 8 is to 12 or 14 is to 16. The question is compare the following. We need to compare these two ratios, 8 is to 12 and other one is 14 is to 16. Either this one is greater than this, or this one is less than this, or equal to this, that we have to decide. Okay, let's start students. How to proceed? Please see the first question very carefully, then every question you can solve it by your own. This type of questions we have already solved in our previous chapters also, so it's like a revision for you all. 8 is to 12 can be written as 8 upon 12, okay, or 14 is to 16 can be written as 14 upon 16. Okay, now students, I have to compare. Compare means I need to know whether 8 upon 12 is greater than 14 upon 16 or 8 upon 12 is less than 14 upon 16, or vice versa. Okay, so for that, the basic thing is, students, I cannot say right now if you compare in the denominators 12 is less than 16, so 16 this is greater, here 8 is less than 14, so this is greater. We cannot do like that. The first step and the ultimate step is you have to make the denominator same, then only we can decide. So always remember, I repeat, आपको denominator same बनाना है. We have to make the denominator same, and we can make the denominator same only with the help of LCM. Okay, with the help of LCM. But before doing LCM, can I say, students, here there can be some cancellation. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Similarly, here I can see I can cancel with 2. 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s are 16. Okay, so my question now turns out to be 2 upon 3 or 7 upon 8. Yes. Now students, as I told you, I'll be making the denominator same, then only I can decide looking on the numerators. So for the first fraction, my denominator is 3. For the second fraction, my denominator is 8. Okay, so now I'll take the LCM. So taking LCM of 3 and 8. How to take the LCM of 3 and 8? Plenty of times I have showed you all. Once again, I'm showing on over here 3 and 8. As I can see, there is nothing common. There is no table which goes in both 3 and 8. So that means the LCM will be just the multiplication of 3 and 8. This happens only when there is nothing common between two numbers. But then too, I'm showing you all 3 1s are 8 will remain 8 as it is. 8 1s are 1s are. So 3 8s are. It comes to 24. So LCM of 3 and 8 is 24. Taking LCM of 3 and 8, which is 24 over here. So that's why making both the denominators as 24. So what to do now? Now pay attention. This 2 upon 3 I'll write as it is equal to sign. Similarly, I'll write over here 7 upon 8 and is equal to. Now my aim is just to convert this 3 into 24 and 8 also to 24. Okay. So this is the best way of solving such type of questions. Now what to do? I'll make a denominator like this. 2 as it is I'll copy, multiply. 3 as it is copy, I'll multiply. 7 upon 8 as it is copy, multiply. Now students, you ask yourself what you will multiply with 3 to get 24. Now please don't use your brains. Yes, I am telling you, don't use your brains. Just see over here. Please see over here. See, 3 8s comes to be 24. So here we have 3. What other number you have? Over here we have 8. So just see here, just don't use your brain, just see this calculation, 8. So when I'll multiply 3 with 8, then automatically I'll get 24. So I'll multiply 3 with 8. And in numerator I'm not bothered, because I'm just bothered about the denominator. So the same 8 I have to copy over here. Similarly, here I have 8. So just don't use your brain, just see here, 8 we have here. What number is left? Only 3 is left. So I'll multiply with 3. So 3 here also and here also. About numerator I'm not bothered, because my aim is just to make the denominator same. So what will happen? 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Okay, and let's speak about the numerators now. 8 2s are becomes 16. 7 3s are becomes 21. So these are the two fractions we obtained. Okay students, so now we are left with 16 upon 24 and 21 upon 24. Now as we can see students over here that both the denominators are same. So now we easily by looking at the numerators we can decide that 16 is less as compared to 21. So I can write over here 16 upon 24 is less than 21 upon 24. Understanding students? You should know these things, that this is what, this is less than symbol. Less than symbol. This is what, greater than symbol, and this is equal to symbol. Okay, either way you can write like this also, 16 upon 24 is less than 21 upon 24, or vice versa also you can write that 21 upon 24, you can write like this, 21 upon 24 first is greater than 16 upon 24. Okay, but why to change the order? This is the case. But students, will you all will you all write this as your final answer? No, 16 upon 24 is not the question given to us. From where we obtained this 16 upon 24 students? This 16 upon 24 we obtained from here, and from where? From 2 upon 3. This was our original question. Okay, once again let's get back over here. Is this our original question? See, this 2 upon 3, we derived this 2 upon 3 from here students. Can you see this 2 upon 3? So what's 2 upon 3 our original question? No, actually we obtained 2 upon 3 from here, 8 upon 12. 8 upon 12 was our original question. So please understand, you will not write 16 upon 24. You will see from where you obtained 16 upon 24, you obtained 16 upon 24 from 2 upon 3, and from where you obtained 2 upon 3, you obtained 2 upon 3 from here, and from where it came, here it came from 8 upon 12. Okay, so 8 upon 12 we will write at the place of 16 upon 24. Okay, so I'll write here 8 upon 12 is less than 21 upon 24. Now once again let's check from where we obtained 21 upon 24. 21 upon 24 we obtained over here. Okay, from where we obtained this? We obtained this from 7 upon 8. So from where we obtained this 7 upon 8? We obtained this 7 upon 8 from here. Here it was 7 upon 8. From where we obtained this 7 upon 8? We obtained 7 upon 8 from this 14 upon 16 in the original question. Okay, so this 21 upon 24 which we got from here was obtained from 7 upon 8, and 7 upon 8 yet was not the original question. We obtained 7 upon 8 after the cancellation of 14 upon 16. So at the place of 7 upon 8 you have to write 14 upon 16. So 21 upon 24 should be written as 14 upon 16. Okay, so this is the answer students. So compare means we have to write either less than, greater than, or equal to. So question was compare 8 upon 12 or 14 upon 16. So we obtain the answer as 8 upon 12 is less than 14 upon 16. Now students, tell me, can I consider this as my final answer? Of course I can consider this as my final answer, but this format is not accepted. Why? Because the original question was not given in fraction form. Original question was given in the ratio form. It was given that 8 is to 12 or 14 is to 16 ratio. The question was given in the ratio form. So we have to write the final answer in the ratio form only students. Okay, so I will write here 8 is to 12 is less than 14 is to 16. Please, all of you, 90% of you just stop over here. No doubt ultimately this is your correct answer, but students, this should be your final answer because question originally is given in the ratio form, so answer should be in the ratio form. Okay, so ideally you should stop your question over here. So I request you all will not stop here. Okay, this is your final answer. Hope you understood students. So students, please pause the video and do it by yourself and copy all the notes. And very frankly, this step, it's not necessary because it's very obvious that between 3 and 8 nothing is common. Okay, so answer is 24. But not always you have to multiply to get LCM. Okay, this is when there is nothing common. Okay, so please pause the video students and do it on your own fast. Okay students, now the next question is in front of you. Sub question D, 7 is to 21 or 1 is to 6. It's exactly same. No, nothing new to teach. but then too I am solving a new question for you all. 7 is to 21 I'll convert into fractional form 7 upon 21 or 1 upon 6. Okay, now students, ask yourself that before starting this, can we evaluate, can we reduce our fractions? 1 upon 6 cannot be reduced further, but can we reduce this? Yes, we can reduce this. So 7 ones are 7 threes is 21. Okay, so that our question becomes 1 upon 3 or 1 upon 6. So we need to find whether 1 upon 3 is less than 1 upon 6, or 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 6, or 1 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon 6. What I told you, students, what you have to do, you just have to take the LCM of the denominators. Okay, LCM of the denominators. So therefore LCM of 3 and 6 is, okay, now how to take the LCM, students? Over here I'll take 3, 6, starting with 3 ones are is 3, 3 twos are is 6. Okay, now I'll go with 2 ones are and 2 ones are, so 3 twos are is 6. So 6 is the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So what I have to do, I will convert both the denominators to 6. I am least bothered about the numerators. Okay, whenever it's asked to find which fraction is greater or which ratio is greater or compare, we always, first step is to make the denominators common, denominators same. So the first step over here is taking LCM of both the denominators, and it came to be 6. That means हमको दोनों denominator को 6 बनाना है. Okay, let's start now. Considering the first one, 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 multiply. Now students, ask yourself, what should I multiply with 3 so that I should get 6? It's simple, 2. And just don't see the numerator. Whatever you multiply in the denominator, just close your eyes and multiply it in the numerator also. Okay, so 2 ones are becomes 2 and 3 twos are becomes 6, so it becomes 2 upon 6. Okay, now what about the second fraction? It was 1 upon 6. Students, see here, already we have 6 in the denominator, so just I'll copy it as it is. It's 1 upon 6 only. Okay, so this is my first fraction and this is my second fraction. 2 upon 6. Here also we have denominator में 6. Here also I have denominator में 6. Now let's compare, students. Now let's compare. So now 2 upon 6 and 1 upon 6. Now you tell me, students, because we have 6 in both the denominators, now let's compare the numerators. Here I have 2 and here I have 1. Which is greater, students? Is 2 greater or is 1 greater? Of course 2 is greater. So if 2 is greater and both the denominators are same, students, so what we will say, therefore 2 upon 6 is greater than 1 upon 6. Students, is 2 upon 6 my final answer? Was it given in the question? No. From where we got 2 upon 6? We got 2 upon 6 from here. And from where we got 2 upon 6? From here we got 2 upon 6 from 1 upon 3. And here, from where we got 1 upon 3? We got 1 upon 3 from here. And from here, from where we got 1 upon 3? We got 1 upon 3 from 7 upon 21. So see the chain. This 2 upon 6 came from 1 upon 3, and this 1 upon 3 came after reducing 7 upon 21. So now at the place of this 2 upon 6, I'll write 7 upon 21. Okay, greater than 1 upon 6. This 1 upon 6 was originally given in the question as 1 upon 6 only. So I'll copy this as it is. So I'll write here 1 upon 6 only. Now students, is this my final answer? Yes, it's correct, but we have to give this answer in the ratio form, because originally the question was asked in the ratio form. So always provide the final answer in the ratio form only, students. So our answer will be 7 is to 21 and here 1 is to 6 is greater than, okay, 7 is to 21 is greater than 1 is to 6. This is the answer, students. Okay, hope you understood this. Pause the video please and do it by yourself. Now students, I'm solving question number 9 of your textbook. It's right, and sub question A, 8 is to 9, 3 is to 5 and 11 is to 15 in ascending order. It's exactly same what we did. That's the reason I'm solving question number 9 here. Sub question B is just the descending order which you will solve in homework. Okay, so now starting with ascending order. Whenever ratios are given and it's asked to form arrange in ascending order, how to do it? Let's start, students. Okay, the first step what I'll be doing in the solution is, the first step I'll convert these ratios into fractions. Okay, let's start. 8 upon 9, 3 upon 5, 11 upon 15. And right now we cannot decide. Ascending order means from smallest to the largest. Okay, from smallest to the largest. So we need to decide which is the smallest number, which is the largest number. Yeah, just by looking, we cannot say that 3 is the smallest or 11 is the largest. So the first step once again over here is we have to make all the denominators same. All the denominators same. So when all the denominators will be same, we'll just then judge upon the numerators. So how to make all the denominators same? There is only one best way. Yes, what it is? Yes, taking LCM. So taking LCM of 9, 5 and 15. See, I cannot evaluate anything, and the three fractions, any of them cannot be reduced further. Okay, so LCM of 9, 5 and 15. Okay students, now I'm taking over here the LCM of 9, 5 and 15. How to do it? See, 9 I wrote here, 5 I'm writing here, and 15 I'm writing here. Okay, so now I'm starting with the LCM part. I'll start with 3. Okay, now 3 is 9, 5, 3 is not going in 5, so 5 will be copied as it is. 3 5s is 15. Once again I'm doing it 3 1s is 3 is not going in 5, so 5 will be copied as it is 5. 3 is not going in 5, so 5 will be copied as it is as 5. Okay, now I'll go in 5 1s are. So my LCM will be 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45. So my LCM is 45. So taking LCM of 9, 5 and 15 is equal to, which comes to be 45. Okay, so 45 is the LCM. What do you mean by the LCM of 9, 5, 15? 9, 5, 15 is 45. That means now we will convert each denominators to 45. Now please see how to do it. Okay, first I'll copy 8 upon 9 is equal to 8 upon 9 multiply is equal to. Okay, next I will write 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is equals to 3 upon 5 multiply is equal to. Okay, and next I will write 11 upon 15, okay, is equal to 11 upon 15 multiply is equal to. Now students, please pay attention. Here I have 9. I want to convert this 9 into 45. Please don't use your brain. Just see here. I have here 9. 3 3s is 9. I already have here 9. So 3 3s are 9. I already have. What else I don't have here? I don't have this 5 here. Okay, so that means I have to multiply with 5. So 9 5s becomes 45. So 5 here and 5 in the numerator also. We are least bothered about the numerator. We just bothered about the denominator, because denominators को equal बनाना है. Okay, here I have 5. In the second fraction, here I have 5. So just the three numbers. Here I have 5. So 5 is already here with me. Okay, so what numbers are remaining? 3 3 is 9 is remaining. So that means 9 here and 9 in the numerator also. Then I have 15 here. So from here, can I say 5 3s is 15? So this 15 I already have. What number I don't have? I don't have this 3. The remaining part is this 3. So 3 will be multiplied here and here. Automatically 15 3s becomes 45. Okay students. So now what happens? So here it becomes, in the denominator 5 9s becomes 45. Here in the denominator 5 9s becomes 45. Here in the denominator 15 3s becomes 45. Okay. So now the numerators, 8 5s is 40. 9 3s is 27. Okay. And 11 3s is 33. That's it students. Okay, so now students, I'll write all the three fractions over here. What are the three fractions we obtained? We obtained 40 upon 45 from here, comma, then 27 upon 45 from here, comma, and the last 33 upon 45. Now as all the denominators are same students, now can we look over here? Can I say 27 is the lowest? So this will come first. Then after 27 33 is coming. Okay, so this will come second, because it's an ascending order from lowest to the highest. Smallest will come first, 27 will come first, 33 will come second, and 40 will come as a third. So how to write? I'll write like this: 27 upon 45 is less than 33 upon 45 is less than 40 upon 45. 27 upon 45 is less than 33 upon 45 is less than 40 upon 45. Now students, will this be your final answer? No. Was this 27 upon 45 given to you in the question? We obtained 27 upon 45 from here, and over here we obtained from 3 upon 5. So at the place of 27 upon 45, we have to write the original 3 upon 5. Okay, so here I'll copy at the place of 27 upon 45, 3 upon 5. Okay, the same sign will be copied less than From where we got 33 upon 45? 33 upon 45 we obtained from here. From where we got? We got it from 11 upon 15. So at the place of 33 upon 45, I'll write here 11 upon 15. The same less than copied. 40 upon 45. From where we obtained this? 40 upon 45 we obtained here, which was from 8 upon 9. So I'll write over here 8 upon 9. This is your answer, but will you call this as your final answer? No, students. Please see here, the original question was in the ratios. Okay, so we have to provide the final answers also in the ratios. So 3:5 is less than 11:15 is less than 8:9. Okay, students, so this is your final answer. Okay, ascending order from lowest to highest. Hope you understood. This was very important question logically and with the exam point of view also. Okay, that's the descending part is the homework. Okay, please pause the video and do it by yourself, please.